welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I'm up close because I'm on my kit lens as well. Yeah, I know the vibes by now. But today is the day that I possibly might be getting a new daily. If the title reads and this video is obviously out, but if it doesn't, then I don't know, we'll see. But I am on my way to the DMV first to get a change of address for my license, because in order for me to do anything now, like if I'm gonna finance a car or anything of that nature, I have to have an updated license to show my proof of address and all that stuff at my current residence. So that's what I'm doing right now, headed to the DMV, and after that we're gonna go check out possibly the new daily. Man, look at the rain. Well, it's not raining yet, but man, I hope it don't rain on my parade, or I'ma sip some juice from the Gatorade. But these haters be sipping that haterade. I'm coming like a pain parade.
Tell the vlog how we're super upset with the city.
Oh yeah, the city where I live is some mother.
You're gonna see your video.
Man, that me. Bro, these Amazon delivery truck drivers deserve to be in NASCAR or something, because they be whipping these big bodies, bruh. And they be bamming Boosie, Webby, all types of stuff, bruh.
Mexican.
Yeah, that lady, that little Chiquita was booming, bruh. That's John crazy around here, playboy. But yeah, now we're on our way to the DMV, and yeah. All right, leaving the DMV. Bum 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 beat up bum bum bum. Pulling up to the spot.
Laying out a little roof rack on the back. About to be the new daily, bro. Oh my god, this is hilarious. That's it.
Yeah, I got your phone number.
Okay. Yeah. My new Rook. Shout out to my dog, my Dizzle.
Alright, so we're leaving here at Treasure Coast. That's it. This is Kawasaki Honda. Baby's back on the tubes of you. And now, yeah. Show you that Ruckus. The new Ruckus is up here. 2022. That's pretty. I can't believe I bought a Ruckus. This is the first purchase I've ever did where like my credit was actually used for something.
You didn't have to come tell me. I remembered on my own.
Oh, look at that.
Kinda. So in other words, that there's no extended warranty. It's the factory warranty only. I knew about that. Hey, have fun already.
Oh yeah, of course. Thank you.
I appreciate it.
I'm glad you called me today. I'm like, I hope my shit goes through. And they're like, oh yeah, it's yours. I'm like, oh, just get your address thing. I'm like, all right, cool.
And no shit, I'm shocked.
I can't believe I got a fucking bra. You ready?
Hold on.
You gonna film me while?
All right, guys. Let's buckle up, because the baby boo, crazy ass, just bought a Ruckus.
Glasses. I need my Dragon Spec glasses. All right, babe.
There he go, he flying. That shit is hilarious.
Fun time is over. Now it's time to do some adulting. We're on our way to visit the homie Kobe. We're gonna hopefully pick up a couch today. I just dropped the Ruckus off at my mom's. I'll pick it up after we're done. Hopefully we're able to get this couch so we can finally have a housewarming party. Jesus, it's been who knows, but I'll talk more about why I got the Ruckus and things of that nature. It's crazy because yesterday we were watching my old Ruckus videos, and I was like, I've been but I've been telling her like I've been wanting a Ruckus for a minute now, but like the timing was never right. and the timing probably will never ever be right. You just gotta, you know, jump and leap, and hopefully you stick the landing. And I feel confident about this purchase. Like, you know, my payments are $100 a month. I'm gonna pay it off soon because I got like a lot of sponsorship opportunities coming up, and with you guys buying alpha injection injectors and action clutch kits, that helps me. They put in like an incentive in my pocket, so I really appreciate you guys for buying those types of products from them, my vendors. So thank you for that. But I feel very confident, man. I'm happy. I just wish my girl got one too, hopefully soon, so we could be cruising to the jetty and stuff like that. That'd be nice. But for now, yeah, some ruck dates. We can go on some nice ice cream dates and shit. That'd be fun, bro. But right now, like I said, we're going to a couch show. We're gonna pick up the vlog and, you know, keep the momentum going in this video, bro.
So this is the couch right here. Yeah, it's gonna be flipped.
Our house, it has a three window panel. Like it's a
The homie Kobe getting us right. Y'all should remember Kobe from the I should remember. Yeah, bro. They go, oh, that's the girl. Yeah, he got me right, bro. Yeah, so yeah, this is our couch. Kobe hooked it up for us. We're good, baby. We're good.
First spot, you know we had to take it to Randy's, Brid. You feel me? You made too much fun of all his gray hairs.
Yeah, I got sad.
It's alright, bro. Wanna take it for a ride, bro?
How you started? I don't know how to start it.
You don't remember how to drive the Ruckus? Well, first you gotta get the kickstand off, so you gotta push it. You gotta push it forward. You gotta be on the bike. I call it a bike. There you go. And then you turn the key, and then you do like before. Ain't nothing changed, Plimp.
I've been quiet.
No exhaust.
Oh, was that allowed?
You next, mama.
This shit gay. At least it's easier to turn, I think.
I mean, it's way easier than the other one. It's brand new. Look at this nigga. Ready living life. Now we just gotta get baby girl one. Imagine the whole squad would run. That shit fun, dog. That's it. Like this
hey, guy. That be the worst teacher, man. Shit, you finna go down.
We're finna do a backflip on these shit.
Pull that shit all the way back.
All the way back.
Car. Hey, you gotta stay away from that, man.
No Ruckus for you, man.
She gonna be hopping in the basket, man. That's gonna be her seat. Her basket, her leg gonna be kicked back.
You got another one too.
Yeah, I got one that go like right in between this.
I one in the back.
Yeah. Got a basket.
I'm gonna have pizza delivery.
We gonna be delivery boys soon.
Ruckrack.net.
I'm in the field like I'm Julio Jones. Don't get you for free. No, you can't get on my song. I'm perk right now and I'm gone. I got two bitches, they get along. I got niggas with 30s, they'll shoot up your home. You type on the internet, come to the streets. See what you want. No, we can't meet. You lacking, you gone. Bitch, I'm a dog. I'm in the field like I'm Julio Jones. Don't get you for free.
Alright, so I'm back home with my Ruckus. Let's talk about why I got it, and my plans and stuff with it. Starting off, I want to say that I'm very excited that I actually was able to get it, because this is at 26 years old and going from having crappy credit due to mother. Why you be putting bills in my name when I'm damn near 5 years old? I can't get cable. Love you, mama. But at 26 years old, I financed my first vehicle. It's so beautiful. Like, just look at it, bro. Like, oh my God, so gorgeous. I got the Ruckus due to like maybe 2, maybe 3 reasons. The first reason is I always wanted another one. Ever since I had to sell mine, which I was freaking devastated, I had to sell it because I was moving into a community like HOA and they didn't allow like scooters or motorcycles, anything of that nature. So I couldn't enjoy the Ruckus. I had nowhere to place it. I had to sell it, and I sold it and bought a CRV. That's what happened to the Ruckus, in case you've been wondering after what, 3 years, 4 years now, what happened to it. That's what happened to it. I don't know if y'all know, but gas prices can suck my ass. Bruh, E85 is like almost $4 now, dog. When it used to cost like $2, like $2.15 max. Now it's like $3.89. Premium, damn near $5. What the? This right here costs $4 to fill it up. It's a 1 gallon gas tank. So you get up to like 100 and something plus miles, which brings me to reason number 3, the perfect damn day. Let's say I'm working on the Integra or the Civic and both cars are down, my girl's gone. What am I gonna get around with? I have no truck. But I have a Ruckus that does not require a bike license because it's a scooter. All you need is your Class E, and it's cool. 2 wheels, feel the breeze through my nappy ass scalp. And yeah, dog, I'm about to fall in the shit. Now, the Ruckus is not going to be in stock form forever. We can't keep anything stock, so expect some Ruckus build videos. I won't make a dedicated build video due to the fact that, well, when I first got the Ruckus shop literally like sponsored the entire build, and that was how I was able to like get all the parts on. It was just an amazing time back then. I don't have that same opportunity nowadays, so I'm gonna have to piece this together slowly but surely. I wanted to do a GY6 swap, but the Ruckus right now goes like 43 miles an hour, so I might just like build up the 49cc motor, keep it reliable, keep it stock, and you know, it'd be cheaper in the long run to do everything I want to do. It'd be much cheaper. So that might be the way I go, depending on if I can find a part out or if I do get help from a Ruckus parts company. Then yeah, we'll see if we can go to GY6 swap. But if anything, I'll keep the 49cc. I mean, it has low miles, but I mean, it only has 142 miles now. I put like 40 miles on it already because I got the bike used, so it was like $600 off. I got it for under $2,700. My payments are like $130 a month. So yeah, bro, not bad at all. They have like a Nardo gray Ruckus color scheme that I wanted, but this was the only one they had used. I'm like, oh, it's cool, it's white, so it matches the Civic and my girl's car, so it's pretty cool. And the cool thing about all this is my credit more. And I was talking to the guy, shout out to Jamie over at Treasure Coast Kawasaki Honda and stuff like that. I forgot the name, but shout out him. He was telling me that like it's harder to get a bike, quote unquote. Like it's harder to get like a motorcycle, a dirt bike, a 4-wheeler than compared to buying a car or a house. Cause you need like a credit score, something. I don't know. He was explaining to me. I was like, damn, I was able to get this. He's like, yeah, man, your credit's pretty good. I'm like, oh shit, hell yeah. So it's cool that I'm building my credit with this, and I'm gonna make it look cool. It sucks that it's not like me buying my new daily is like a truck or something that's gonna be useful for like these 2 cars that tow in places. In due time, man, like my process is slow than others. In due time, I'll be able to afford my truck and trailer and stuff. Like I finally got a house. I got my cars are, well, they're not optimal right now, but like I got 2 cars. They're both cool looking race cars. So you know, with enough manifesting and journaling and setting the intentions, I'll be able to get my truck and trailer to be able to tow my cars to like grid life events. Well, tow that car, the Civic, to like grid life events and stuff. That's the goal. I'm hoping in the next few months I'm able to like make it happen, you feel me? So yeah, that's the goal, dog. That's the goal. Say what up to the Ruckus. I don't know if I'm gonna name it yet, but say what up to her. He's gonna be on the channel sometimes. I might do some little vlog actions when I'm going to buy parts and stuff. Like when I go to AutoZone or something like that. Got a little scoot, you hear me?